Oh man, isn't this gorgeous?
It's beautiful.
I'm the Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
And we are Adventures in Xanadu, and we are, look at that, on a sand dune. We're at a beach campground. We're actually at the Holland State Park beach campground, and you know what? This is so cool, man. We got to take a quick walk, and then we're going to slow down and show you some stuff, but let's get moving. This is going to be a fun video at the beach.
Yes.
So yeah, here's the beach. The beginning of the beach, Lake Michigan. That is beautiful. And those right over there are actually community fire pits. Because in the beach campground, they don't allow fires unless you bring a portable pit or, you know, propane pit. But they do have these community ones at the end of the campground. Beautiful spot. Wow. Beautiful spot. We're just down there around the corner. Holland State Park, Michigan. There's Dawn out there. It's some fun. You're so far away, Dawn, I can hardly see you.
You see me now?
Not really. Is that you?
No.
Where are you?
I'm not here.
Yeah. Wow. Hey, we can play some basketball.
Yeah, some hoops.
Wow. I've been looking forward to that. Beach basketball. Are you kidding me?
You got your little table.
Dawn and I are awesome, man. 2-on-2. Whew. Yeah. What's that court for over there? Is that dancing? What is that? Was that going to be a basketball court?
I don't know. I think
Wow.
so.
This is nice. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. Gorgeous. There's a little channel that comes in off Lake Michigan over there. So while you're at the campground, you got the beach on one side, and then on the other side you can watch all kinds of sailboats and cruisers coming in off Lake Michigan. And boy, she's about flat today. Looking real nice. There's that lighthouse we saw from our front door. Right there, the other side of that basketball hoop's probably hard for you to see from here. A little sand on the court there, huh, Dawn?
A little bit.
Absolutely beautiful. Wow. Weather almost perfect, I'd say. It's upper 60s. Now, see, it's not that beautiful 70s. If we could just go about 5 more, it'd be perfect. Throw the rock, baby. Whew. 2.
I think this is a sidewalk.
It used to be a sidewalk. Now it's a sandwalk. Oh, look, there's another building. Hey, I think that's a concession stand and nature center.
Ooh.
Look at that. I'm not sure. I know they have concessions out here. You know, we all have to make concessions in life. Sometimes we have to eat them. Sometimes we make them. That's picture perfect. Wave to the camera, Dawn. We could have our dinner out here tonight.
Bring some hot dogs?
Yeah, we got some.
Alright, let's cook them right
We
here.
should.
Is that here?
Beach cookout. Wow. This is your back door. Beautiful. I think we're going to get out of here for our little beach show here.
Look how
Beach show.
beach though.
Yeah. Beach show. Yeah, no, beach show.
Look how the water's
I promise you, we don't really drink.
sparkling like diamonds.
We don't really drink it that much.
We just can't talk.
Right. It's just, it's more of an actual mental issue than a alcohol problem. All right, we gotta go. All right, this has been
I
a
thought we already did.
yeah, we're going. Where we are. All right, I'm Bear.
And I'm Dawn.
Hey, we hope you find your Xanadu.
Doodle-oo.